welcome back to the channel. Today we got the Parajet Maverick with Moster 185 Plus. And we got a lot of spare parts, so come over here and check this out. We got an airbox that needs some fixing. We got some propellers that's gonna need some rigging. We also got a cracked muffler right here. So stay with us, and I guarantee you're gonna like what you see. It's gonna be so tacky. All right, so I've had some damage happen to my motor, totally my own fault. I had a little bit of a rough landing and my paramotor took some damage. Thankfully, I was able to get some new parts from Parajet and they were super helpful in sending me this really quickly. I don't know exactly what's in there. They said they may have a little bit of a surprise for me, but they also had to send me a new exhaust because mine is cracked, which is... Yes, because my last exhaust broke, it says Fragile! Anyways, I'm not here alone today. I've got my awesome friend, Thomas Bird here. And I've also got this gorgeous Latina chick from across the border.
Can I kiss you too?
No, Tom, yes.
No. Close up, please. Close up. Here we go. The anticipation is killing me.
Like Christmas.
It's like Christmas! All right, I see right off the bat a replacement airbox. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, it's carbon fiber. Check that out. It's pretty, yeah, check this one out. Boom.
I like that.
It says Vitorazzi.
How come it doesn't have this, how come it doesn't have this hole in it?
There must be something wrong with this one.
Yeah, it should have this hole.
This big. I like how you describe this as a crack. You're like, yeah, it's quite the large crack.
There's a crack in it.
That's a little more than a crack.
That's awesome. All right, thanks, Tom. Now, oh my.
What is it?
Goodness.
What is it?
Fireworks.
It's a bike, isn't it?
Check that out. Woo!
Wow.
Woohoo! What is that?
Is that for?
Mako. Oh, it's a Mako jet board. Oh, because Gilo Industries.
Oh, that's right.
That makes the
Yes.
Parajet Maverick.
He posts Instagram videos of him doing that.
Boom!
Sweet.
What do you think? What do you think?
It's a much better fixer.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna have a. Oh, that's the
Side
other
reserve.
thing I didn't mention is when I hit that little bump on the ground, also known as a crash, I actually tore my reserve container, so it's kind of hanging out there. That's beautiful. Well, unfortunately, I'm not really sure what to do with all this stuff because I don't have any mechanic skills. Do you know anybody, Tom?
It would take a while to get them here. They
Yeah.
come from far away. Yeah, I mean, anybody can work on a car, but to work on a paramotor, that takes a special skill set.
Do you hear that?
Someone said they need a master mechanic.
Anthony's out, you're in.
Let's do this. Here's my rent. Alright, here's this. I would replace this line, I think. Cool. While we're in here, let's clean everything up.
So Elena actually showed up here in El Paso, Texas because she wanted to record with us on the Paramotor podcast in person, and I had no complaints because she turns out to be a pretty decent paramotor mechanic.
You know what they say about paramotor pilots? Every paramotor pilot is a mechanic.
Let's do the
Exhaust
exhaust
first?
first.
Okay.
You the boss.
Oh, that's pretty.
There's just a little piece of this video that I'm not including, and that's the fact that I actually flew my Parajet Maverick in the state that it was in all the way to Thomas Bird's house where he has his paramotor shop. The downside is that the GoPro that I had on my helmet wasn't working, and being that I just got this new Insta360, I didn't hit the record button.
Oh, we've got the new exhaust on with all new washers and new gaskets, and now we're gonna do the harness, and then we'll do the airbox last. But we're gonna check the spark plug right now and make sure.
So Anthony, how's the paramotor repair going?
You know, it's I've
Excellent.
Super huge thanks to Parajet for sending me out all of these items that I needed really quickly. It's been a huge help. Major thanks to Ben Bear Smith over at Parajet. He's like my homeboy. Pound it, Ben Bear, through the screen. Yeah.
Like this field, we're just gonna take off. We're gonna bank right. It's a big, easy turn, and we'll swoop out over the desert. And then I figure we'll just kind of like follow along at like 5-foot ATL. All right. Are you ready? Brand new harness. Thank you, Parajet. I've even got the Mako jet board. If I ever make it out to England, I'm gonna have to try out one of those jet boards. Ready? How many pulls is it gonna take?
One.
One? All right.
One and done.
Up. Woo!
Hey. There you go.
How many attempts is it gonna take?
One.
One? My 360 camera. Send it! Send it! Okay. Okay. I think I'm scaring Elena, honestly. She's like, there's something seriously f***ing wrong with this guy. Okay.
Smells good. Motor smells good.
And I needed a little coffee too.
Trying to poop midair again?
Stopping recording. Go to patreon.com/AnthonyVella. Help me get a new GoPro so I can keep bringing you some paramotor videos. It won't turn off. Here, can I put this in your pocket?
I got you.
Okay, let's do it.